Hey guys, this is the new Ego 2020 model with the Select Cut double blade, and I just figured I'd show you kind of a sample of a cut, all right, for some of you that might want to see it. I'm going to turn it on in a minute. It is set to a 4. I have to say the older model, the one right before this, the 21-inch, right before this, I was setting it on a 3, but because this has 7 settings now, you basically, the 3 would be just a little too shy. As you can see, it's got 7 now on here. It's a little hard to see, but you know, 5, 6, and then 7, a little darker there. But anyway, just wanted you to see what it looked like. I'll go ahead and just run it a little bit, and then we'll stop and take a look. All right. Now I'm actually using the self-propel, which I don't normally use, just so you'll know. So I'm going to move that out of the way so it doesn't make you dizzy. All right, so because I got one hand on the camera and another hand on the mower. But I'll stop after this cut, and then you'll be able to see. It's pretty decent, you know. It's really pretty decent. So maybe take a look at what I've cut versus what I haven't. Let's see. Move this over. All right, so I don't normally do this, but this is the grass that hasn't been cut, and this is the grass that has, and it's really a nice cut. It's a pretty even cut. I always overlap a little bit when I do my mowing, but listen, I'm pretty impressed. I used it last year, and then this is obviously a couple of times this year since this is a newer model. You know, I even own the Ego snowblower, which takes 2 batteries, so pretty good. Pretty happy with it. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. I just figured let me do something quick. All right, hopefully it helps. Thumbs up if it's helpful in any way, please. And there's Brooklyn. You know, she's going to get her operation in 2 days. I'll be doing a video on that just after the fact. She's getting her left ACL fixed. She's already got the right one. So as you could see, I don't know if you could see, but she's like a tripod right now. She doesn't really put a lot of weight on the left leg. So, all right, have a great day. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Take a look at some of my playlists. Have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching, and be safe.